Hi all. So today we will see how to drill through in Power BI report. Okay. So drill through is used to drill down and navigate to different pages. So I have created a three pages, P1, P2 and P3. In P1, it represents the category wise sales and also sales by region. And in P2, we can see the subcategory wise sales and year wise sales, and we can see the total amount is same for both. And also in P3 we can see the city wise sales and also the segment wise sales. Here also we can see the total is same. Okay, so now we are going to use drill through option. So if I click on a particular category, suppose if I am clicking on technology, means it should display only the data which is related to this technology. Okay, so when I click on this technology in this P2 page, it should display only the subcategories based on that technologies. And in the case of the next table, that is year wise sales, also it should display only the same amount. That is, if how much is the sales for technology, means that should display in all these tables. And in P3 we can see the city wise sales as well as the segment wise sales. So here also we can apply drill through. Suppose we need to see the same values in P2 page. Okay, so it should only provide the details of that subcategory. Means if I'm clicking a particular category, means it should display only the subcategories of that particular category. Okay, only that value should be seen here. Okay, so in the visualization pane we are having an option called add drill through fields here. Okay, so in that I am just dragging category. Okay, I am just dragging out this category to this add to drill through fields. Okay, so when I move to this P1 page, when I click on a particular category, okay, and right click, we are having an option called drill through, but I can't see this option here because I didn't apply any drill through. Only for category I am applying this drill through. So when I click on particular category, suppose I am clicking furniture, means if I right click and apply drill through to P2, that is the P2 page. Okay, so you can see only the subcategories based on that category furnitures we can see. Okay, and also you can see that the values are same. Okay, in P1 you can see the value is this much. So the same value we can see in P2 as well as the tables in P2. Okay, this is how we apply drill through. Okay, again we'll see with other example, that is P3 we are having city and segment wise sales. Okay, suppose here I'm just going to drag suppose I'm dragging region. Okay, I'm dragging region to add through drill through fields. So in this case, when I move to P1 and here we are having region, I'm just right clicking on this region and I'm choosing drill through to P3. Okay, so P3 I'm drill throughing. So in this case, we can see that it is moving to third page. Like this, we can apply drill through to each of the pages. So when I'm applying drill through from P1, it's navigating to this P3 page. So this is how we can do this drill through option. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.